Have you ever felt like no matter how you try to stay clean and neat in summer, it still finds a way to make you feel sticky and sweaty because of the hot sun and hot weather? Yes, we have all experienced that. But what if I tell you that there are some summer hygiene secrets that can help you stay fresh and put together all summer? Keep watching because I will be showing you these summer hygiene secrets. So let's get started. 1. Shower every day. And it must be day and night. During summer, your body makes more sweat because of heat, and the sweat mixes with dirt and germs. This brings bad smell and bad skin problems. So showering every day in the morning and evening can prevent and protect your body from bad smell and skin problems. When bathing, use a gentle soap or body wash. And wash your whole body. Wash your feet, armpit, behind your ears, everywhere. Because in summer, it's easy to attract germs and bacteria because of heat, which causes sweat. Also, after bathing, dry your body with a clean towel. 2. Apply deodorant after bathing. When you bath and you don't apply deodorant after, you will still smell bad later or during the day even though you have bathed. After bathing, apply deodorant. It helps to stop bad smell by fighting bacteria that produce bad smell and sweat. 3. Shave or wax pubic hairs. Shaving or waxing hair in the armpit and other part is a very essential tip, especially in summer. When pubic hair overgrows, it makes your armpit smell very bad. Because in summer, there's a lot of heat, and when your pubic hairs are not shaved, it makes it difficult for air to pass through, so it brings bad smell. So to prevent smelling bad, shave all pubic hairs. 4. Apply sunscreen. Of course, it's summertime, so sunscreen is a must. Even when it's not summertime, you must put on sunscreen. Apply sunscreen to face and to body part that you feel will be exposed to the sun, to protect your body from the sun and getting sunburns. 5. Stay hydrated throughout the summer. Staying hydrated in summer is the best summer hygiene secret ever. Since it's summer, the hot sun drains the water in your system. So drinking water regularly keeps your system hydrated and moisturized every time. Also, drinking water can have a wonderful impact on your skin as it flushes out toxins from your body. So do not underestimate the power of water. So these are some summer hygiene secrets. Comment if I should do a part 2. And please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. See you all in my next video. Bye.